Wind blowing from the south at 5 meter per second to a cyclist. It appears to be blowing from the east at 5 meter per second. Find the velocity of the cyclist. Velocity of wind V bar is equals to 5j cap. Velocity of wind relative to cyclist VWC bar is equals to minus 5I. VWC bar is equals to VW bar minus VC bar. Down. VC bar is equals to VW bar minus VWC bar is equals to 5j minus of minus 5I is equals to plus 5j is equals to mod VC bar is equals to 5 root meter per second towards northeast.